Hello, let's start some time before we start the game. And what's your name? Yeah, I forgot. I'm in live. And you know Mike and JG? They're total liars. Oh, look, we started the game. Let's. Am I going to avoid? No, this look weird. Am I in creative mode? Or am I? This look. Okay, wait, what? 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 Why is that showing one? A bargain? Huh, I haven't. Oh, what? No, let's see that book. It's only bits. Um, there wait, Hiccup! Wait, are you? Hiccup? I'm a big fan. One day I'll be like you, the strongest player. But for now, I'm the weakest. Wait, wait, is that? So. Hmm, you can sleep with it. Let's see. Let's down and let's go a lot of track. Did this. What is that? Is it the door? Oh, I'm a grandpa. And tell me what do you eat? Go get some. Are you paying? Yep, you're not a baby. So, the secret dragon tank. Good hint. Let's go find. I got the penalty for wait, is this gold? I wonder. Hmm. No, that's host. What is it? What is your name, Yuppie? Yeah, Gonku. Hey, yeah, want some fish? Am I taming you? Is that Gonku? Is that Gonku? I'll take a tour. Where's Hiccup? Where's the rest of them? Okay, no guess. I'm gonna go up this mountain and find somewhere to stay and to call home. What is this? The empty house. Should be a great house. Okay, first, before we even get enough food and all, let's first decorate it. Get the varietiest stuff. We have lanterns. Yep, that was what I was looking for. Okay, time to put this in the roof. Go down. Shade effect is amazing. Yeah, even one. Make this my new home. Take out your stuff, Daniel. Leaving from your home was hard. And with carpet, a shotgun, and even this. Oh, it goes in the bag. Now back. Time for me to take my stuff. Extra. She put him back there. something like the okay. Here, not here, first here. Now here in L. Okay, time for the design. These. I'm going to replace it. So I'm gonna take wood and I'm gonna put what we need. We already have it on. Oh. Now this is blank. Okay. I'll make a nest. If you see that subscribe button, just type it. And if you could install this mod, its name is Line of Mod, and I'll give you a nice tour. I'm new to this, not the tour, but maybe I can maybe try to get a dragon. Maybe feed a night feed some salmon. So that will be tasty enough to get a beautiful dragon. And I still need to build some stuff. Need to cover up this. Oh yeah, that's good enough. This would be my nursery. Side. I have a. Wait, this is for bolts. One day I'll make the strongest boat ever. Okay, now I need to get my yellow that I will take from the inventory. Nah. Do you know Power Buddy and Sherman? It's a funny story and all, right? And if you do, just click the like button. And my father told to make a more testing one, but now we have a red tool house to do some. Still not done yet. Still have to put the carpet needs to be perfect. But I'll be only living. Now after we are done, I'll just take my shotgun. I'll just get another shotgun for my friend. Yellow. Okay, now put my friend's bed somewhere else than mine. I'll put his in this corner because it's the safest spot I could ever find. Welcome. Now that was us. There go. One day I'll ask my sister to make a channel. And the zone. Open shotgun. Great. I'll get this one. This one. Boop. Yep, okay. I'll put my loot, this, and this, and not the backpack. No! Since we got it's almost not time for me to go to have a sweet dream. Let's go down, lay down, my bed down, now. Now where's your house? But my house isn't ready yet. One last details. These two, since right now, let's go. Close the door. Yeah, that fits. This shadow pack is very good. Only 15 minutes left. Going down the mountain and then down. Okay, we have salmon. Let's go feed it to a flag. Did I just? I saw. Sure, those night fairies there. Good. They are my life and life. Okay, let's go top. How did I get it? Go. Send it back. Yeah. Well, salmon, who like those? Hee hee. Come on, not this day. Yeah, my pet. Some cold there. Do you even eat? What? Drag dragon. What do you eat? Like kiwi head. Can I buy these? Will I tame you? Can I tame you? Wait. Stick. Wait, yeah, I got a stick. Now to go to the mountain top and then find it. Why do I gotta do all this? Good. Wait. Look who woke up from this. Okay, let's. I think. Where was. Going down the mountain then to find my base. Yeah, I got the wolf dragon to make a fence. Yeah. So, gonna climb the stairs, go up there, make the dragon sit, and design out the, the base floor. That would be something. Set. Why is this happening to me? I need the pitch be there. That one around the dragon could fly. Pillager. Okay. Okay, now let's go get some friends. Yeah, he won mine. Okay, time to find out the dragon that belongs to me. Time to find out the dragon that even belongs to me. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Defended the dragon that I could only enter and exit. Now make one way for me and okay. Need mossy this thing. Use it outside. Today there's only 2 minutes left, but tomorrow day after tomorrow I might try to make it through. I got no ideas. Water bombs that. Okay, ready. I put chest on. Oh, this is not the time to sleep on the carpet. I made you a home. You just for all. Okay. Just